See, I got a color from 2014 to 2024. So if you see in a one go, in a one time visualization, so maximum publication have came into existence from 2020 onwards, if you see, right? And this yellow color is indicating my recent publications of 2024. 2014 indicating my blue publication, blue colors, like blue, you have to find out where it was. Green is indicating to 2020. This is my legend. So based on the legend, I can comment that most of the countries have become active in this field of research. The most active countries like USA, UK, they have become active recently. So this trend of virtual influencer, this term or this field of research is very new to academia, like very new to academia. If you see like where is India, or how when India has started working, Spain, Ecuador, recently, very recently, right? See India, right? So most of them have started from 2022 onwards or 2020 onwards. In 2014, still I'm not able to find out some documents from 2014, the country which were active in 2014. Switzerland, 2018 most probably, right? 2018, 16, that time Switzerland was active, but still that blue color, I'm not able to locate. This is my overlay analysis, right? I can also change my method. Yesterday we have also discussed about, we can go for the no normalization, we can go for the association strength. It's always better to go for the association strength because we are doing the network mapping. So association strength is the best method, what I believe. We can go with that, right? Now, when I have done this analysis, I can also change my color. Suppose I am thinking that this color is not interpretable for me. So I can change this color. Let's have some different color, rainbow color. In rainbow color, at least I think I can see Greece at once. So Greece was working between 2018 and 2020. It was active, right? You can change some different color, whatever you want. This is basically we call customization as per your own requirement. You can increase or decrease the sizes also based on the document, based on the average publication year. The USA, China are much more bigger if you assign the full weight there, right? Okay. Accordingly, we can simply go to file and we can save my results. Okay. Saving my result, whatever figure you want, just save your figure number, figure 2. You can save in a PNG format, in EPX, JPEG, PDF. These are the some formats which are available with the VOSviewer where we can save my output. Okay. Then I can also go for the density visualization. I want to see the density. Based on the documents, you can check density. Based on the total citations, you can check density, right? Total citation, density, color you want to change, you can change. I can see these are the active countries, but here is the cluster. Hotspot is forming here. Hotspot is forming here. Hotspot is forming near Germany. One separate hotspot is formed in the Belgium. Belgium is also connecting separately with another country. If you want to cross verify, so obviously maybe the Belgium is forming another important cluster somewhere that we can find out. Like Belgium is one active hotspot. So Belgium is working with which countries? Which are the active countries which are working with the Belgium that we can find out from here. So it is a cluster 8. Belgium, Japan, Sri Lanka, UK. They are working together. Okay. So this is the way how we can go with the co-authorship network mapping using country data, on the basis of the country. So co-authorship network mapping for the countries.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can you show how to save the file in PNG?
you can go for like file, just save on screenshot. You can click here. He will give you the option save, print, copy to clipboard. Some options are also there. Like we can scale it, scaling to we want to इसको छोटा करना है, बड़ा करना है, you want to increase, decrease, whatever you want, we can do that. You want in border, you can include borders also, like black border will come. You want transparent background, that also you can do. And then click OK. And then from here, you may save. Just click on the screenshot, you save as a file. May select JPEG, may select PNG, whatever you want, you can select. PNG file is good to go because it keeps a good amount of resolution. So I can select PNG, I can select JPEG, whatever you want. Figure 3, saved. Okay. We
Okay.
also want whatever you want, you can do that. Some people also like the black background. This is also okay for the presentation, but don't go this for the print. Printing, it will distort everything. But if you want to still present your black means presentation is there, so it's quite attractive. Fine. So this is all about my co-authorship country.